Uyimart. Today I'm going to be talking on how to permanently get rid of ear pain in 2020. A lot of people have been having this ear pain for a long time, at times short time. So today I'm going to be talking on how you can get rid of it without stress, without meeting any medical personnel or professional to advise you. So what I'm going to be sharing with you, as I said, is how to get rid of earache. First of all, let's know what this earache is. Earache is actually a sharp, dull, or burning pain in the middle of your ear. It can be one ear or it can be both ears. So how and why it's been caused, what happened, the symptoms of this is what I'm gonna go deep into. But before going into this, please, if today is the first time of coming by, please consider subscribing to my channel, and as well click on that, turn on the post notification bell to be notified on other videos I'm creating. So today I'm going to be talking on how you can get rid of this ear pain without stress. You know, ear pain, as I said, is a sharp, dull, or burning pain in the ear. It could be one ear or it could be the two ears. That's both ears. So how the causes of this and how it gets to such extent. First, I'm going to tell you that there's a tube known as eustachian tube, and this eustachian tube is located in the middle ear. You can't see it, but it's here in the middle ear. So this eustachian tube is being linked. It runs to both ears, running from both ears to the back of your throat. So that's how this eustachian tube is being linked. And this eustachian tube helps to drain fluids in the middle ear. So it helps to drain earwax. It helps to drain other dirt that get into the ears and helps to protect your ears as well. And once this tube is filled with fluid, dead cells and other things in your ear, that it could be dead. Once this tube is filled with the fluid, it now leads and results to pressure of the ear, which leads to ear infection or ear pains or earache, so to say. So how to get rid of this? Then at times there are other causes of ear pain. It could be tooth infection, it could be arthritis of the jaw, it could be anything. So let's go into this causes of ear pain deeply. So the first cause of this ear pain, as I said, it could be arthritis of the jaw. So arthritis of the jaw can lead to ear pain, and it could be a short-term infection, it could be a long-term infection, it could be tooth infection, that's your teeth. It could be tooth infection that will lead to ear pain. It could be sinus infection that will lead to ear pain. And it could be hole infection, that's once there is hole in your eardrum, it could lead to ear pain. These are the causes of ear pain. And the next cause, the next important cause, it could be as a result of earwax buildup. Once the earwax is being built up in your eustachian tube, it leads to ear pain or earache. So how you can get rid of this at home without stress is what I'm still going to share with you. The first thing, how you can get rid of ear pain or earwax at home, earwax buildup at home, is using a warm compress or cold compress. Using a cold compress, you're not just using it without towel. All you have to do is you damp your towel in a lukewarm water, or you damp it in a cold water, okay, and place it directly on the part of the ear where you're feeling the pains. It could be one ear, or if it's the two parts of the ear, that's the two ears, then you place another towel this way, another wet cloth, not just towel, just a wet cloth. You make sure you wet it either in a lukewarm water or cold water. So you place it this way on your ear and leave it for the next 20 minutes. Once you're done, you can take it out And the next way that you can get rid of this ear pain at home is by using cotton swabs to get rid of ear buildup in your ears. That's earwax buildup. So using cotton swabs, I would advise, if you're this type that normally take out earwax from your ear after 6 months, no, you're actually harming yourself. All you have to do is you make sure your routine of cleaning your ear this time around will change overnight, but it shouldn't be every day, because the earwax itself helps to protect your ear as well. If you happen to clean everything, you know, everything that has advantage must have disadvantage. So this time around, you have to be cleaning your ears at least 3 times in a month. When I say 3 times in a month, you can skip it maybe the first 2 weeks, then the next 1.5 week, then you'll be running such routine to make sure your ear is being clean and safe from earwax buildup or other fluids buildup. Because once it builds up in the eustachian tube, as I said, it results to ear pains, tooth pain, sinus infection, and other ear infection. So this time around, apart from cleaning your ears with this, you can get over-the-counter drugs like ibuprofen. Ibuprofen helps to get rid of ear pain, especially for both adults and children. In adults and children, ibuprofen is a very good pain reliever to use and get rid of ear pain. So here is a picture of my ibuprofen. This ibuprofen is super good for ear infection and ear pain. Then the next thing I'm going to share with you is using a very good routine for yourself. You know, as I said, a lot of people normally stay 6 months without cleaning their ears. No. If you're this type that normally uses shampoo on your baby's hair, even your own hair as well, even soaps as well can be stuck in your ear. And once these 2 things are stuck in your ear at the same time, it might stay there the next 20 minutes, then starts forming ear pain and ear infection. So all you have to do is, if you're bathing, you make sure you wash your ear first before any other thing, to avoid soap being stuck in your ear, to avoid shampoos being stuck in your ear. Then there are other products that can be stuck in your ears. I've been seeing a lot of people using biro cover, sharp objects to get rid of, to clean their ears. This is not good for you, because you might end up harming yourself and injuring yourself, your eardrum. So this sharp object, once it gets deep into your ear, while you're trying to bring the earwax out, you might end up hurting yourself with this particular pierced mouth of the pen. You might end up piercing your eardrum, and at the same time exposing that particular eardrum to infection and other bacterials embedding in that particular area. Then I've been seeing people folding papers to bring out earwax from their ear. They will fold the paper in such a way that the mouth will be so sharp and small for it to enter their ear. Then at times, a lot of people do dab the paper in a water, or they can use their saliva to wet the paper before bringing the earwax out. This is super wrong. You are as well injuring yourself. So once you follow the main remedies and methods for this gonna help you to get rid of anything ear infection. Today I'm gonna stop here, and please don't forget to follow me back. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the notification bell to be notified, and don't forget to give my video a thumbs up. Love you guys all. Bye bye.